We gotta be really quiet because my mom's sleeping in it. 12:17 at night, and we usually just stay up to like 3 or, well, this time we're gonna do 4, and then, because last sleepover, you guys know, because we checked up on you guys at 5:30 in the morning, so this time my best friend Joss is sleeping over. Hi, so maybe the world. She's done raising it, and we're gonna be making ice cream sundaes. Hopefully we don't wake my mom, or she will be upset about you. So say hi, bloopers. Hi, Ella. Who's a good girl? Shake with a good girl. Yes, a good girl. Bella, you getting jealous? This good girl. Sorry about that. Here's special doggy bloopers. Sorry, so like this video if you're a dog person and you think they're cute too. Okay, so first we're gonna need to get bowls. Let's get plastic, it's easier, right? Here we go. Okay. Let's get spoons. I get plastic spoons. I take them from Publix, so we just grab a whole handful, so we don't have to pay for them. I mean, it says a lot of spoons, so yeah, we take a spoon. So let's take a spoon. Take a spoon. Okay, so sorry, I gotta hold the camera here. Gotten dressed? Here, let me open it. I got it. Okay. There we go. Okay, ice cream time. It's like my sister made a huge mess right there and tried to bother me up, which is really annoying. See, I use this little back table, little counter besides all that space. I use this whole space counter as well my like ice cream parlor. So here we go with here. Today we're gonna be home until 8 o'clock at night because my mom leaves at 4. So mint chocolate chip. Oh my god, that face looks freaky. Look at the camera though. Okay, put that in the microwave. Okay, so the next thing is the best mint chocolate chip ice cream I most likely recommend is pretty much almost any ice cream brand is Publix Premium Mint Chocolate Chip. Or pretty much any brand. I would definitely recommend Eddie's or Publix. So I'll put that as a whole different topic. And I usually put it to like the exact temperature. But oh, what happened in there? My sister. Sorry. Olivia's sister took out a spoon. Or it was my mom. Probably most likely my mom. She's too lazy to do that. Well, Olivia's mom took out something from you said that I'm just there private, so I just put it back in at the perfect temperature. Like, but that's a different video. Like, one of my perfect temperatures, I like. Hopefully she won't hear this, because sometimes you heard me just making popcorn. So, 13 seconds. And while we wait, we get out our ice cream station. I use sprinkles. That was a video. We're using my voice chat. Okay, my sister, like, we use sprinkles. We just bought these sprinkles like a week ago. And she used all these sprinkles in the ice cream challenge, which really sucks. I wanted sprinkles. I want to ask for them. Look, it's perfect but moist. See? I think that's perfect. Do you want syrup? No. Sure. Okay. I got sugar-free syrup. What are you gonna do? My mom's on a no chocolate diet. Like that. I'm proud of her. Okay, then we got American cherries. Why am I singing? I'm gonna try to make it look like one of those things that goes in that thing, but I have no idea how to cut this thing off. Hey, at least you guys got I could be on what's in my refrigerator. Okay, chocolate syrup. Got it. Okay, what should we do next? I gotta go to the bathroom. Alright, hold it. Okay, got syrup. Alright, we get the public sugar-free chocolate syrup. Do some dirt off our phone. Okay, what are we gonna do next? What we got now? So this is the ice cream station I have set up. Guys. Okay, so alright, I gotta go to the bathroom, dude. I gotta go to the bathroom. Okay, this is the ice cream station I have set up. See, first we have Color Perfect Betty Crockers, confetti sprinkles, maraschino cherries from Publix, sugar-free chocolate flavored syrup, the ice cream of mint chocolate chip, Publix Premium, plastic spoons. Here we go. Okay, so wait, we got the ice cream sprinkles. How can you forget ice cream sprinkles, people? I mean, seriously, how do you forget an ice cream? Sit down. And I'm back. That's the door I just locked you guys in. So now let's just try to replace the phone because, are you kidding me? Okay. Have a wonderful day. Okay, first I'm gonna have the mint chocolate chip ice cream. You wanna hold it? Okay, so. Oh my god, I'm used to my mom trying to do this. This is big wild. Oh my god. 1 hour later. We're still on this. You wanna do it? Yeah. I think it's time to do the freezer. Whatever. Take it all you want. I'll just watch it. Come on. I was singing Olivia Nada's song. I'm like 78 pounds of pure muscle, dude. Really? We're so impressive. The doctor's getting the perfect weight. Are getting watery. Look at my face, it's turning red. Is my face turning red? Dude, is my face turning red? Dude, I'm like crying. Everybody would never do that, I'm serious. Like one time my sister farted so big in the car and I had a whole bunch of friends and we all laughed and I never cried about it. It was hilarious. Especially with her friends. Oh, what if my sister's watching this? I love you, Lizzie. Oh, and I'm watching this. It was so hilarious. I'm still crying about that. Oh my god, this room looks so much darker with the lighting because it's a camera. That's good. Okay, your turn. Okay, now what I do next? I'm doing it. Nothing. Could you just do this? Could you just do this? It's my Christmas. Okay. You wanna hold it? Pretty cool. That's probably the guy that's farting. Right? Am I right or what? Am I right or wrong? Just shut up about it. Should we use maraschino cherries? Yes. I don't want them to get all grossy. I'll probably just put them on bowl so you can do this separately. You do that, we just so you see the sprinkles. Here we go. Yeah, that makes it explode in the oven, remember? Yeah, I think I'm good. This is my ice cream sundae. Like if you like mint chocolate cherry sprinkles. Okay. Now watch me eat while I rub it in your face. Just funny. That would have been funny than my It's so cold because of my braces. What? Is there wine? It's like metal on my mouth and it turned really cold. Is there wine here? No. What's in here? I have no idea. Don't better put everything back in your bed. Just kidding. Jocelyn knows the house so much, but she pretty much knows where everything is, right, Jocelyn? Really? You know where everything is. No, wait, all behind the screen. Just kidding, a little bit more. Look at me, look how I'm going with this. Dude, look at this. My goodness. Good, Bobo. Are you fluffy? You fluffy, are you fluffy? Who is this good girl? Yeah, go. She's probably like, what are you talking about? How big is Red Javelin? She sees us by the picture. She looks so cute on this camera. I'm so fluffy. I'm a lion. Shut up. Oh, look, you got a little curl in the back of your hair. Okay. We gotta hurry this thing up. Don't use all the sprinkles. Come on. Is that my animal more? Thanks, dear time. What am I doing? We made over a 12-minute video. This should not take us 12 minutes to make ice cream. I'm surprised my legs aren't hurting. I gotta get more water. Wanna follow me? No. Good. Isn't that my water? No. The heater's all the way full. Oh, yeah. I gotta go to the bathroom really. Why am I drinking water? Okay, so that concludes this video. Thanks for watching. So comment, like, and subscribe. Cool. She's having a just you sugar rush though. Can I pour it on you? I'll pour it for you. You don't want it? Do you? I do. Sugar? Please subscribe, comment. I'm usually the one that's please comment, like, subscribe, bye.